Alright, it's the new Lumix S1 from Panasonic. Just got it on my porch today from UPS. Ordered this from Adorama on February 1st when it first became available and have been anxiously awaiting it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you. First thing I can say is that this camera box is the nicest camera box I've ever seen. The packaging, at least the outside is like Apple worthy. The first box here, we've just got the basic instruction manuals, and we'll just get those out of the way. So when I ordered my camera, I went ahead and ordered it with the 24 to 105 millimeter f4 lens, and so we've got the lens hood, and obviously the lens here comes in the box. It feels really nice, feels really solid, got a good weight to it. Here we've got the box of all the accessories. You got your battery. Obviously this is a bigger battery than like what the GH5 uses. We've got our AC adapter. And our cord for the AC adapter. We've got our cable holder. And battery charger. One thing I'll say is pretty nice is that this battery charger lets you know it's got a 50%, 80%, and 100% marker on it. USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, and we've got a camera strap, which I won't be using. Now for the good part. First thing I can say is that this camera is definitely pretty weighty. You've probably seen other people say that it's not particularly light, like maybe some people might expect from a mirrorless. This is definitely DSLR size and DSLR weight. Layout of the buttons is pretty nice. It's pretty familiar if you have Panasonic. The on-off switch is obviously different. The top of this, I guess, is a little more like a G9. I'm used to using a GH5, but it's not hard to reach. And as you can see here, I'm trying to flip the screen out just automatically from the way I would normally do it. And of course, this one does not have the flippy screen. It's got a little button over here you press, and that lets you tilt it for doing a vertical photo. Overall, it feels really nice and really sturdy though. Okay guys, so that was just a quick unboxing of the new S1. I just want to get something up as quick as I could. This just came this morning, and I'm super excited. I ordered this February 1st when they first became available for pre-order. I've been looking forward to it since the announcement back in September, and so far, obviously I haven't used it yet, but I like the way it feels. It's definitely bigger, and a lot of people have complained about the weight of it. Well, I shouldn't say a lot of people, but some people have, and the size of it, because even though it's a mirrorless, it's pretty big. It's more DSLR type of feel to it, but I have pretty big hands, and so if you have man hands, this works pretty well. If you don't have man hands, there's some differences between the GH5, which is what I mostly use. The on-off switch is different. I was kind of concerned about that after seeing some videos, but it's not too terrible to reach up there and grab, with your finger. I got mine from Adorama. They didn't sponsor this, I purchased it, but mine came with a free battery, and it came with the free battery grip as well. So I'll get that on there whenever I do the full review. I'll kind of show you that and let you know what I think about it. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.